1 block away from the hotel, beach, Puerto Rico. People is out here. It's like 11 o'clock local time, and they're making it happen. Nice. The waves are crazy. I ain't see J-Lo yet. Still looking for her. So we're in El San Juan. Nice.
Yo, Flatbush Ave is banged up. Look at all these buses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at cars all over the place. 7, 8. They're all in there, banged up. Snow for days, and we got a Panama car right here in front of my building. Crazy, all the way down. Gonna look at my work right now. Buses ain't going nowhere, ain't it? He probably yo, look. They probably had the buses just to try to move it. Yo, this is the worst one yet. Snow ain't never hit like this.
This one is doing the same thing.
Really? Wow. That's why you gotta have gas in your car.
You gotta use enough gas.
Woo.
I don't even know why they're even trying.
But where they going? Yeah, where is he going?
You're gonna get very far.
My man doing his thing. Yes.
We're pulling, my brother.
Yes,
all
yes,
right,
yes.
All right.
Yo, look how crazy this is. An 18-wheeler going to smack this little fucking truck. Look, 18-wheeler can't do nothing. Hey, yo. Garbage truck. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Everything. Crazy.
It's funny.
Look at you.
Wow.
Yo, Flatbush is shut down.
That truck can turn.
Yo, look at this street. Yo, go stand up next to it so I can see how deep that is. Just go right next to your right, to your right. I mean your left. Yeah, your left, your left, your left. Your other right. No, right there. Yo, that's crazy. But you can't really tell, but that thing is about up to your waist. Stuck. Can't even move. Now I got to go see my game. Look at this car. All you can see is the roof. And you could tell it melted. You probably couldn't even see that a few minutes ago. Ooh, watch this car. My man whipping down the street like nothing. Got to get me a Nissan. I got to buy one of those. Yo, look at this thing. Oh my God. I don't even want to see my car. Yo, there's a car parked the wrong way in front of my car. If my car is still there. Show you, here come a bus. Here come a bus. I don't know where the bus is going. I just gotta come check it. Make sure everything is everything. Yeah, do your thing, player. Yeah, look. This how crazy it is. My car, my van, is hemmed in. They got a car going the wrong way in front of my car. That don't happen on this block. It's a two-way street. You don't park the wrong way.
Oh, you're not too bad.
No, I'm not. Mine is on the corner. It's melting by itself. Betsy, I apologize, but you will not see me until...
Get all of this. This is video, baby.
Oh, okay.
This is video.
Live.
Yeah, we live and direct in Puerto Rico.
PR, you know how we do it. Shorts, I know it's like 30, 20 back home. No hate on the kids, though. That's how we doing it.
For real.
Yeah,
For real.